Welcome to Mathartic. In this question, a circle is given and a square ABCD is given inside the circle. Point M is also given as the center of arc AB. The question asks to find the lengths of MB. To start the solution, first I'm gonna call the center of the circle as O. In the next step, I'm gonna add a line segment connecting M to O. Next, I'm gonna connect O to B and O to A as well. If you take a look at OAB triangle, we have an isosceles triangle where the sides are the radius of the circle. And if you take a look at this angle and this angle, they are also equal because their corresponding arcs are equal to each other. I'm gonna use one hint in this solution, and the hint says in a isosceles triangle, the angle bisector is the altitude and also the median in this triangle. So if OM is the angle bisector of this angle and OA and OB are equal to each other, so OM is the altitude, we have right angle here, and also these sides are equal to each other. AB is given as 2 in the question, so these sides are 1. Another thing that we can find using AB equals to 2 is the radius of the circle. So if you add another line segment connecting O to D, the diameter of this square is the diameter of the circle. So we know that radius of the circle is the diameter of the square divided by 2. And in order to find the diameter of the square, we can use the Pythagorean theorem. This is a right triangle. We have 2 here and 2 here. Therefore, D is equal to 2 times the square root of 2. And from this, R is equal to square root of 2. So OB is square root of 2. And if you take a look at this triangle, we have a right triangle, and we can apply Pythagorean theorem here as well. And if we apply it, I call this H. OH is going to be equal to 1. Another thing that we can use from this radius is OM is also square root of 2. And if you subtract OH from OM, we have HM. HM is equal to radius square root of 2 minus OH, which is equal to 1. So HM is this number. And if you take a look at this triangle, you can see that again we can apply Pythagorean theorem to obtain the lengths of MB. So MB squared is equal to HM squared, which is this term squared, plus HB squared, which is 1 squared. And from this, MB squared is equal to 2 plus 1 minus 2 times square root of 2 plus 1. And from this, we have MB squared is equal to 4 minus 2 times square root of 2. And finally, we have MB is equal to square root of 4 minus 2 times square root of 2. Yeah, this is the end of the question. There are other ways to solve this question. If you come up with a new solution, please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to press the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.